Alright, that's the last of the video of this guy. I was here yesterday, install separate today, noon. Boy, it's hot already. Look at this guy. Pretty soon there'll be a crane flying this bad boy up out of here. Got the electric disconnected, low voltage disconnected. And here's what it is, looking it over. Ready to hit the scrapyard. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You know we in Daytona, baby. Rent them up. You need them. She's flying, baby. Turn. Aye. One guy on the ground and me up here. You rigging it? Like for like, easy money. Alright, in the field. We ran drain. Obviously, lots of electric. We attached to the curb, 4 screws each side, thermostat wire through the return. Oh, bear with me. Field wiring, power. Right there, 1, 2, 3, ground. Low voltage, straight cool, red, yellow, green, copper. That's it, guys. Simple install. Then screws into 2 on each side, on the sides, 4 on the wider sides. A couple screws holding the electric panel on. Get out of here. I'm putting my tools back. I don't see my red top screwdriver like so. So where did I use it last? Yeah. So you're running. She's been with me for a while, boys. Look at her. She ain't even got a straight edge no more. She got a crooked edge. That's Old Faithful right there. Yeah, get that drain flowing for the work pictures. Get in the habit of looking over your tools before you take off and know what you got, and know where you put them, what little pouch they go in, and you'll save yourself tons and tons of money, guys.